All right, all right, all right. Hey, listen, welcome to the stream.
You are watching a master at work.
This deal was coming to you guys live. Look, we are live streaming with the family. All right, let's get to it. Today, of course, we had some great profits this morning. US 30 did its thing. And right now we're looking at this evening. We're about to look for some pillow profits going on. And what's up, Rebecca, for sure. All right, let's get to it. Boom, boom, boom. I wonder if I could actually add, let's see, as a window, add Zoom. Let's see if we can add Zoom, meeting chat. Yeah. All right, I think I like this. I think I like this situation. All right, bet. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, bet. So let's get to it. First things first, y'all already know what we got to do. We got to set our mind first. So we're going to go ahead and do that with our Cousins Creed real quick. Desktop. Let's go to recents. Cousins Creed. One, two. Okay, restarted my what's the name over. That's what it is. There we go. Boom. All right, bet. Cousins Creed coming to y'all live on Zoom. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cool. All right. Cousin, I pledge to trade with discipline, wisdom, and gratitude. I will avoid emotional trading, focus while in the zone, and stay consistent with my rules. Greed and desperation won't drive my actions, nor will I trade to cover immediate needs because my judgment may be impacted. Before each trade day begins, I will meditate in gratitude, manage risk responsibly according to my account size, and affirm my goals. When I achieve success that I define, I will celebrate, not compare, and close my trading app. I don't make money just to make money. I have a purpose and a calling on my life, and the resources I earn with this skill will positively impact my life in discovering or refining what that gift is and how to best serve it to those assigned to my journey. My integrity in keeping its commitment will show my results long term and will be an inspiration to my fellow cousins to trust the process. All right, let's get to it, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's going on in these Forex streets. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen real quick. And we are going to Zoom, share screen, Google Chrome, boom. All right, bet. Okay, cool. So we are going to the forexfactory.com so that we can see exactly what's going on in these Forex streets real quick. All right. Now, it is 10:08 by their clock right now. Of course, it's 9:08 for me. Uh, There has already been Australian news. Okay, it was low impact. So let's see what does that do? Finviz.com, financialvisualizations.com for everybody out there in the world. We're gonna go to finviz.com, look at forex, and see exactly what's going on with the different currencies of the world. Currently, Great British Pound and Australian dollar. That's the one that we actually trade the most. Great British Pound is actually weaker than the Australian dollar by way of Finviz. So we should see Great British Pound and the Australian dollar falling right now. Okay, so let me go to Trading View. We're gonna pop over there real quick to GBP/AUD. All right. So anybody that took that GBP/AUD from when I called it out here, I said I was looking for it to come up, go over, and then drop down. That was yesterday. It did it here, boom, and then it almost did it here again. Almost hit our entry point right here again. Blue line, our entry point. So, but already at a layup, um, we're gonna see if it'll pull back a little bit. Right now, I don't think that it'll pull back only because Great British Pound is not stronger than the Australian dollar. So I think that it's just going to fall from this point because once it fell here, it just been accumulating different orders right here to the side. And then we had a little bit of a gap here for whatever reason. Normally we don't get a gap in currencies unless it's the weekend. Let's see, from here to here. Yeah, that's a wild gap for whatever reason. At least it's probably just a gap on this broker. It's probably not a gap on another broker. Let me see. GBP AUD Forex.com. Let's go ahead and go there. Yeah, they didn't have a gap on theirs. It didn't have a gap on theirs. All right, cool. Well, no. It just, whatever reason, it just didn't read it on that broker. But anyway, let's talk about getting to the bag. We're about to go ahead and try some stuff up. Cousin, please don't forgive me. I like to jump in the hot seat. Oh, let's get you. Let's get you there. Cornelia, she requested to jump in the hot seat. Let's go. I'm gonna make you a co-host right now. You can go ahead and jump in the hot seat. Can you hear me? You can unmute.
Okay, yes, I can hear you.
Let's go. I'm ready to rock and roll with you. I'm gonna stop
Um,
sharing, and you can go ahead and pull up, share. Go ahead, mark it up. I'm gonna let you know what's going on. Tonight is, of course, overtime. We do chart coaching, so let's get to it.
yeah, I was like, wait, you're forgetting about me before we hopped off on the call earlier.
It's all good, cousin. Charge it to my head, not my heart.
I know, it's okay. And wait a minute. I'm pretty okay with marking up the charts. My problem is just becoming more confident in my entries, but I'm not gonna brag. Let's see what my skills are, okay?
Okay.
Tell me what currency or because my last chart is pretty ugly.
Hold
It's
on.
got
We're
a
gonna
lot
take.
of
We're gonna go.
oh,
We're gonna go to. You know what I want you to do? I want you to. Let's go here. Zoom. Let me do window capture. Let's go zoom. Zoom. Share. Let's go. All
Can I
right.
share?
Yeah, you can go ahead and share your screen now.
Pause disable participant screen sharing.
You should be able to.
Okay. Oh man. Don't let me be great. It's not my time to shine.
No, it is your time to
Um,
shine. Hold on one second.
Okay, hold on. 'Cause I'm not getting it.
All right. So it is not making you. It says your codes. Go down to where it says share, and then click on
Uh-huh.
that, and then go to desktop. Share your desktop.
Is it because I'm on my phone and my computer? Because I'm trying to share my screen on my computer. Do I have
Okay.
to
Where's your
send it on
what?
my phone?
Okay, I see what you got going on. All right. I didn't know that. Go
Yeah.
ahead. Do it now.
Okay, let's see. There we go. Alright. Share. Okay, can you see?
I can see it. Oh, you got a lot going on.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. All right.
So I need
Let's make
another
it.
bit.
Let's make it user friendly real quick and remove.
Remove the drawing, hide the drawing.
Go to GBP AUD.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start on my higher time frame, which is a 4 hour chart. We can look at a higher time frame.
Just for the sake of charting, remove your indicators. You know, we like to chart
Okay.
on a naked screen.
Make it chart. Yeah, sorry. Okay, there we go. So I would look at my higher time frame to identify trends. On my 4 hour, well, I can start on my day chart, and then I come down to my 4 hour chart, identify my trend, then identify what price is currently.
Okay.
And then my top of the range, I look for where I have multiple touches. I identify areas where I have multiple touches on my 4 hour um, speaker. A couple of touches
Go to
here.
your measurement tool and see how many pips that is.
Okay, 48.
Okay. No.
41.
Yep. So I wouldn't
And
even
then
make
no.
that. That's not a full range.
Okay. So my next zone could be here
I
or
would.
higher.
There you go. Measure that
Okay.
out.
194.
Okay. I think you did a little bit more than what it was, but that's fine. That's better.
Okay. And I would make my top of the range and bottom of the range like how would I say, like I wouldn't make it as wide on that because I trade that. But for purposes of um the foreign exchange, I I feel like it's fine like to have that range.
Uh huh.
Okay, and then I go down to my 1 hour time frame to
Yes.
identify my supply and my demand um, zones. Um, I would kind of adjust now. This one is not that many countries, so I feel like I'm fine here. Um, and I would highlight from here to here, from the top of my line right here to the top of the candle, in this area right here. Um, and on the bottom of the range, looking for multiple touches. Um, I guess this area would be okay for me to do my demand.
Go to it. What you say?
I think this area would be a good area for my demand zone from the bottom of um this line here to the bottom of this candle.
Okay. Remember,
This would
we
be a
would like multiple
good.
touches on that line. So the bottom of your range, you moved it. You moved it down. I would like for you to move it
Okay,
back up so that you get
back up
multiple
to the
touches.
bottom.
Yep.
Okay,
Right there. Perfect. And then
and
move
then
that to be
mhm.
where that large red candle is at. I mean the large red wick, and then you have confirmation right next to it. Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay. Where you?
So once I've identified my supply zones, I'm just going back to see if I see multiple touches on the price point. But I've already identified it. Um, it's touched here multiple times. So I go down to, well, first of all, I use a vertical line
Change your color to
to,
blue so you don't get confused on what you're supposed to be
I can
doing
do
in there.
that. Oh, thank you for telling that.
Yep.
Okay. So I use a vertical line to identify the candle I want to get more detail on, and I would choose the candle that closed outside of my zone, my supply zone.
That one. I would say
Yes,
the first that first candle actually. The first candle is good. The first candle that's inside of it, perfect. Yep.
this one. Okay. Um, And I go to that date on the 1 minute time frame. What date is that? The 16th and 1 minute. And I just look for where price, went up and came back down, where there was some kind of floor.